This conference will now be recorded.
Well, hi team. This is Venkat from Nandini Software Solutions Private Limited. So we're going to start a new batch on Snowflake with AWS or with online training. If in on 25th November 2024 morning 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. If anyone interested to learn Snowflake Cloud, feel free to reach out this number 9538160185. So for every month, first week we're going to start new batches on the multiple technologies along with the Snowflake, Talent, Data Stage, Oracle, SQL. So let me explain one simple scenario on Snowflake. Suppose guys, so I have some one organization. In this organization, some employees are working on it. Now I want to maintain the employee details. How to maintain it in the Snowflake, we'll discuss it. Suppose first I want to create one database. Okay, so how to create a database in Snowflake we'll discuss guys. So the create database name, which is the database I want to create it, that is the database name, we will enter it. Suppose I want to create a organization, software organization, I want to create it. Okay, so this is the database name I want to create. How to create it in the Snowflake means, so let me execute this statement, create database and database name. So let me log in into Snowflake. So in the web console, let me create a database. How to create a database? Create database. Now what is the database name you want to create it? That is the database name I have to pass it. Let me select this one. There is a run statement. Let me execute it. My database got created. So under the software organization database, I want to create employee table. How to create the employee table? So first step is, so I want to create a database. So database I have created. So now next statement, I want to create a table. How to create a table? Create a table. How to create it? Suppose I want to create employee table. So how to create a table? So create table name. What is the table name I want to create it? I want to create employee table. Okay. So now let me, so what are the details I want to maintain in this employee table? So suppose I want to maintain employee number. So this employee number values, I want to maintain the number. So that's why I'm going to give, so number data type, database. So I want to maintain employee name, that I can give a name. So employee name values I want to get, I want to maintain like characters. So like that is a string or varchar. So I'm giving some length. So I want to create one more column. So I want to, his, what is the designation? He's working in organization, right? What is the designation? That is called as a role or job. What is the designation? Job. So this is also varchar data type. Let me define varchar data type. So I'm giving some length. So along with, so I want to create one more column. So that is the name column, salary column. So how much salary is getting? That is the salary is the number. That's why I'm giving the number data type. Okay. So along with the is belongs to which department, whether maybe is in software or hardware, whether maybe finance, whether, okay, what are the department is there? The department I want to maintain. Okay. So that is called as a department. Which department? Okay. So suppose I'm maintaining the department IDs values, number values. So in that case, I can give the integer data type. If you're using like a finance account, this kind of department, you can go for the varchar data type. Now I'm going to mention numbers like a 10th department, 20th department kind of things. That's why I'm going to give integer values here. So that is called as, I can mention as a number data type. Okay, so how to create a table in Snowflake? Create table, table name, so then column name and data type. So another column, data type and length. Okay, so this is the way to create a table in the Snowflake. So now, let me execute this statement. How to execute this means, let me select this statement, let me execute it. So my employee details got created. So where it is created? Under the software organization, because if we have selected a software organization, so that's why under the software database we have created this table. Now I want to insert some records into this table, means employee table. How to insert the data into employee table in Snowflake, we will discuss it, guys. So how to insert the data means, so there is a statement into insert into table name. What is the table name? Employee table. So what are the values I want is, that is the values I have to give here. So what is the first column? Employee number. What is the employee number? Suppose I want to give employee number is 101. So employee name, so his name is Venkat. So this is the where values. That's why I have to give in the single quotes. So what is the job? Suppose he is like a TL. So let me give the date in the TL, team lead. So why I'm giving in the single quotes means, so other than the integer fields means we have to give in the single quotes. Now let me go for the salary. Assume that he is getting the salary is 5,000. So it belongs to 10th department. Okay, so how to insert the data into employee table means, insert into table name and values. So what are the values I want to keep? So this is the way to insert the data into the table. Let me select this one, let me insert it. So one record got inserted. Suppose I want to insert one more record, so let me write it. So how to insert the data? I have one more record means, so let me insert into table name values, that is the second value name. So employee number 102, so employee name is Sachin. So now he's the CEO of the company, let me give CEO. So I want to give the salary 10,000, so let me give 10,000. So he belongs to 30th department, I'm giving 30th. Okay, so I want to insert the data into the table. Snowflake table means insert into table name and values. So what are the values I want to give? That those values I have to define here like this. So let me select this statement, let me insert, let me execute it. So total how many records I have inserted? Two records. Now I have to check the data. So how to query the data means, select star from table name. What is the table name? Employee table. So let me select this statement and let me execute it. I want to query the data in this. What are the details are there in this employee table means, so I have to write the query like this: select star from table name. So let me execute this. So total two records are inserted. Okay, so this is the way to insert the data into the employee table, query the data, so create a table and create a database. Okay, so now, so if you anyone interested to learn Snowflake with AWS online training, the new batch is going to start from 25th November morning 9:30 a.m. to 10:30 a.m. So feel free to reach out 9538160185. The course duration is 45 days, guys. The course duration 45 days. Okay. So if you want to get the full details, you can go for www.nandinisoftware.com. So this is the phone number to reach the for queries. Okay. So for every month we'll start one new batch, guys. Feel free to reach out this number. Thank you. Thank you so much.